Hey guys, what's up? What day is today? Today is Wednesday, right? And it is August 31st. Awesome. Right now I'm going downstairs. I'm going down there to get some food. I'm starving like hell, you know. Yeah, talking to a camera. It's crazy. People think I'm taking crazy, because I am crazy. Yeah, people think I'm cocky. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, so I'm going downstairs. I keep saying stairs. So going down to get some food because I'm starving. I haven't eating all day. I've been working all day. I mean, like with projects and stuff. Then I gotta go to work, which is like awesome. Yeah, fun, awesome. It's a beautiful day out too. It's a beautiful day. Alright, bye-bye, Jubby. I gotta go, homie. It's a fun day today. I'm finally home, guys. Oh, yeah. Sorry I haven't been vlogging much because I've been busy at work because I gotta work mad early. I'm starving, guys. I am starving. Can you guys hear me? Hope you guys can. Because I love you guys. I love you.